Mama, look! I can draw the rice field, just like the ones you see from the window. One day, I'll paint them on the big canvas, and everyone will see how beautiful they are.
You have such talent, my son. Your father always said that you have a spirit of art. But remember, it takes hard work and dedication to make your dreams come true.
I promise, Mama. I'll practice every day. I want to make you and Papa proud.
You already made me proud. Fernando, just promise me you won't give up no matter how hard it is. Your father believes in you and so do I.
I won't, Mama. I'll show everyone what I can do.
Wow! You're different, Amarsola. Your brush moves like it has a mind of its own. What inspires you?
The light, the color of my homeland. When I close my eyes, I can see the sun sitting over the rice field. The laughter of children playing. I want to capture the soul of the Philippines, even from here.
You should paint that. Bring your homeland to life on the canvas. It's when make your work unique.
Yes, I can use the techniques that I'm learning from here to show the beauty of my people. I want my art to speak for those who cannot.
Mr. Amarsola, your work is simply breathtaking. I want something that speaks of elegance and grace. Can you do that?
I can capture your likeness, but I will also infuse it with the spirit of my culture. It will be the part of me as much as this of you.
What do you mean by that?
The stroke of my brush tells a story. It's just about surface, it's about emotions and history behind it. I want to create a piece that resonates with your soul.
I see. Then let's make something truly remarkable together.
Years passed during the Japanese occupation. Fernando is at home, sketching grim scenes of the war.
Fernando, you must take care of yourself. The children need you. They can't bear to see you like this.
I can't just sit and do nothing. These sketches are my way of fighting back. I need to show the world what we are enduring. If I don't document this, it will be forgotten.
But at what cost? You're putting yourself in danger. I worry about you every day. What if something happens to you?
I understand your fear, but art has always been my weapon. If I can capture the suffering of our people, perhaps it will inspire change. I want our children to know that we fought our freedom. Papa, why do you keep painting even if you're tired? Can you take a break? Because art is my love letters to the world. It is how I express my feelings, dreams, pain, and my hope. Each painting is a piece of my heart. A story is waiting to be told. I want you to carry this passion forward. But what if people don't understand your art? Not everyone will, and that's okay. What matters is that you stay true to yourself. Paint what you feel and what you see.
I've lived a full life. My art is my legacy.